15009.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Fatima Az-Zahra dengan NIM 1C1255015.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Umi Faradila Gamal dengan NIM B1C12501.
Di sini kami akan mempresentasikan soal MIT semester bahasa Inggris, dan sini kami atau saya akan memperkenalkan teman-teman saya di samping kiri dan kanan ini, dan mereka juga akan kembali memperkenalkan diri saya sendiri. So, his name is Husnul Faradila Gamal, usually called Dila. She is 18 years old and from Morowali. His hobby is singing and freshman at Halu Oleh University, majoring in accounting. And his favorite color is pink. And his name Fatima Az-Zahra, familiarly known as Zahra. She is 18 years old and come from Unaha. His hobby is singing and here's new student Halu Oleh University, majoring in accounting. Her favorite color is pink.
So,